Hey friends, for today's project you will need one pizza pan, some foxtail, some Dusty Miller, some raffia, some burlap fabric, one decorative piece of ribbon of your choice, one large flower of your choice, one wooden name plaque, and Rust-Oleum satin white spray paint. To begin today's project, you will give both the pizza pan and the name plaque one coat of paint. You will glue down your burlap fabric in the middle of your pizza pan and lay your decorative ribbon on top. You will then take your Dusty Miller and make a bed for your large flower to lay on. At this point, cut off your large flower and lay it in the middle of your Dusty Miller. Here you see I'm going around with some Waverly ink chalk paint, and I'm giving my pizza pan the white enamel look. This is a very popular style of painting for the farmhouse look. It is definitely something that you do not have to add to this pizza pan if you do not like it. I'm going to tie a simple raffia bow with my raffia and place it directly underneath my large flower. Then I'm going to go in with my foxtail and some eucalyptus stems that I had left over from a previous project and just add to my flower. You can now take your black ink chalk paint from Waverly and add to your wooden sign. This is definitely a step that you can leave off if you don't want to do this. But since I did it to the pizza pan, I decided I wanted to go ahead and do it to my wooden plaque as well. Next, you're going to need a drill. I have made two marks about 2 inches apart. I'm going to drill completely through the center of my pizza pan. I did go back and add a little decorative ribbon and glued on my hello first. Then I'm going to come up from the bottom of my pan with some jute cord. I did double this jute cord up to give it a little bit more security while hanging. If you do not want to use jute cord, you can use any ribbon of your choice. And here you will see I'm going to come up through the front. I'm going to tie a double knot. Here you see me going back for the double knot. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. I'll also give this a double knot as well. And then I will trim off any excess string that I do not need. Your project is now ready to hang on any door or wall in your home. It will look amazing. I hope you have enjoyed today's project. And here's a look at our finished product.